Assalamu alaikum. I am Ubadur Rahman. I am a barista from Bangladesh with 2 months experience of professional barista course. I am experienced in latte art. I can make a variety of hot coffee, cold coffee, black coffee, flavored coffee, and hand-brewed coffee. I can adjust coffee grinder. I can calibrate coffee machine. I can deal with customer, take order and serve them. I can also handle the cash counter.
How many types of coffee roasting are there?
4 types coffee roasting: light roast, medium dark roast.
How do you make high quality coffee?
The types of coffee bean: coffee particle size, water temperature, coffee to water ratio, contact time.
Can you make AB60?
Yes,
Can you do latte art?
yes.
Show me some latte art in AB60.
Okay.